Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing video and I just received my parcel here like 1 hour ago, and then I was busy with my work, and then I have the time to unboxing it, and then I was thinking, why not just like make an unboxing video, because I have seen so many like YouTuber making an unboxing video, and then it just like quite interesting for the viewer, and I was thinking, yes, so I'm going to do this unboxing video. And as you can see, this is an INNISFREE parcel. And what is so special about this parcel is that I purchased this thing directly from the courier INNISFREE. So I got the product from the website INNISFREEworld.com, and I was thinking, I don't know if they are sending me the products from the INNISFREE Malaysia or the INNISFREE Korea. So I verified that it is actually from Korea. And then here is the parcel. I didn't purchase much things. As I can remember, I purchased these like last week, so it took like a week for me to receive this, because you have to get all the customs clearance, everything. And then I thought that I need to pay for the custom charges, but lucky me, I didn't have to pay anything. And then I received from the courier services. So they courier me and send me this by EMS, and it is from INNISFREE, Daegwangdong, and then Kimcheon, Gyeongsangbuk-do, Korea. Yeah. So I'm so excited to unboxing this, because it's my first time to receive a parcel from Korea, and then it's my first time here. So it says that natural beauty from Jeju. So as you guys know, INNISFREE is product from Jeju, and I'm using 2 lines from this brand. The first one is Bija, and then another one is just used and tried recently, Orchid. So let me unbox this. Yeah, this is the website that I was talking about, www.innisfreeworld.com. So if you guys, any of you interested in INNISFREE product, then you probably can just, like me, just order online. And then if you're not going to Korea, and then you can make your order online, and they will send you this. So let me open this up. Today, this morning, I was just checking with my tracker, EMS tracker, and then as they stated in the website, it is still clearing in the custom KL. But I didn't expect that I will receive it today, so it's really exciting for me. I hope they package it well. Yay! So as usual, I got my DO. So just tell you what you have bought, So I got myself no sebum mineral powder, and then my palette. Yeah, I got myself my palette. So I got myself my eyeshadow too, and then my contouring, and then the palette itself. I got a small palette because I don't want to spend like money and then not using it because they have 3 palettes, 3 different sizes of the palette. They got the small, medium, and the large one. And then the medium size is actually double, bigger than the small one. So you have to put more stuff in there. And I just don't want to buy more eyeshadow or buy more contour kits inside the palette. And then also I got myself Jeju Orchid Fluid. And then I got a free sample green tea seed serum. Yeah, that's it. So basically I got myself 6 items here. Let's check it out. Okay, nice packaging. I guess this is nothing here. So I got these two things here, and then another wrapping paper, and then you don't need this anymore. Ooh, so excited. I previously, bought the INNISFREE product from an app called Hermo, but they're no longer selling INNISFREE product. If they do, not much now. So I don't know what happened there, but basically now if I need to get INNISFREE product, I need to go to KL, Kuala Lumpur, which is the capital city of Malaysia, which will take me like an hour flight or 5 hours drive from my place, Penang. So I can't do this, so what I did just order from Korea, and these are all the items that I didn't want to buy when I was in Korea, like last 2 weeks. So of course this bubble wrapping paper, the plastic paper to protect all my items in here. So firstly I got my palette, the small size one, and then I got the eyeshadow. I got myself 2 colors of the eyeshadow, and yeah, I'll show you guys the details later. And then the no sebum mineral powder, so famous, like the best seller. And then I got my contour, and then the free sample, and then no use wrapping paper. And yeah, that's all. So I'm going to open this and then organize my palette, my eyeshadow into the palette, and then I'll show you guys more detail. I smell Korea. Wow. Wow. And now you can see yourself. Yes, I'm filming with my phone and stacking some A4 paper so that I can, make my phone stand. So they got a mirror here, which is so good, and what I need to do now is just remove all this thing from the casing, and then just like putting in the palette. So you need to remove the cellophane tape here, and ta-da! I got my contour now. I think this is the first time I got myself contour, which I don't know if this is going to be good or not, but I think I might need to get contour or eyeshadow or like basic kit for makeup, everyday makeup, or for like simple event wedding makeup. So I don't know if you can see, but basically there's a INNISFREE label here. This is code number 1, and I didn't regret about number 1 because according to all the online review, number 1 is too light for like 21 shades user, and I'm 23, so yeah, definitely this is too light for me. And then I got eyeshadow number 32. Actually, you can use this as a blusher as well, so that's why I didn't purchase any blusher, because in this my palette you only can place 4 small cases, or 2 small cases and then 1 longer case. So I hope you got an idea what I'm talking about. Remove the tape from my casing, and here you go. It's a very light and bright pink. So I will figure out how to pop this out and then put it in. I will do it later. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, my eyeshadow, the pink color, is 32 shade, because there was like a lot of different or similar shades that are available in the store or online store. So when you look at it, you were like, which one should I choose, which one should I buy? And then I just look at the review, and then I just got myself these two. And then another one is like more to base tone or gold or yellow tone, and this is shade 31, which is one shade before the 32. So I don't know if there's any reason they put it together like so. This is how it looks like. And yes, I got myself the matte one. They have like 3 different types of eyeshadow available: matte and shimmer, and then glitter. Yeah. And then in Malaysia, you know, it's like so hot here, and then your face or your eyes will always get so shiny, so I don't really need like glitter or shimmers eyeshadow unless you really have a good skin or really fair and bright and like excellent skin. So then you can use glitter or shimmer eyeshadow. So here I got myself all these 3, very simple. So I need to figure out how to pop this out. I need to be careful because I saw someone like just, you know, touching on the palette, and then it just ruined everything. I hope I'm doing this right. And it is magnetic casing, so yes, I just touch on it. Oh my god. How to do this? Oh, okay. So basically you can remove this thing from these 2 angles. Yes, it's getting out. And this is like magnet to suck this in. So you can choose yourself, either you want to place it up here or you want to place it up here, and they are magnetic, like they are like holding hands together now. So I'm thinking because it's a contouring thing, so I'm going to place the bottom, and it's now in. And another one, I need to figure out if I want to put the pink one on the left or on the right. What do you guys think? But of course I can always change if I want to. I think I'll put it at the right. Second thing in now. So now you got an idea. You can get 2 cases, the small one up here and then another bigger one or longer one down here, or you can choose 4 small ones. The last one, 31 shade. Oh, it's so easy. I just dropped it. Oh my god. Okay, still looking good. Now we are placing this on the left side. Yay, it's complete now. I hope it is staying here well, not dropping. So I got a very basic item contouring, and actually you can use this as a base for your eye before you apply eyeshadow, and also as a contouring. It is, I mean, purposely or mainly for contouring, but you can also use as eyeshadow. And then I got this eyeshadow 32, and you can use this as eyeshadow or blusher, up to you. And this is shade 31. Of course, this is for eyeshadow. Yeah, and if you notice, I try to make it or I try to buy like more Korean widely used tone, because in here in Malaysia we normally use like warm tone like dark brown, light chocolate, you know, everything is just warm. And I try to play with like pink and yellow here, so I'll try like maybe tomorrow, or you know, when my skin not getting so sensitive, because I got really sensitive skin recently. And then to show you guys once again, you got a mirror here, you got a brush, a little brush here, and you got the 3 little contouring and then 2 eyeshadows here. So supposedly you have to place the brush here, and then from the side look is like this, and then the cover, and then when you close it, it looks like this. So basically just a really small one. And then if you can see here, it's mentioned and stated this is a small one. So for information, they have another 2 bigger palette. So if you want to buy any of these, you can always go to Korea or place this order online. And don't throw all these away, the empty casing, because who knows that you need to buy new eyeshadow for yourself after you play with all these, and then you feel like, oh, you want to buy more color, and then you don't want to buy a new palette, and you can always keep the used one or the old palette, the old eyeshadow back to your casing or the contouring. So don't throw them away. And yeah, so this one, I think I don't have to show you guys this, because the main purpose of today's video is to show you guys how I organize my my palette and then how it looks like, so you got some idea now. I'll try them all, maybe, yeah, as I said, when my skin not getting so sensitive, then we'll see how. By the way, this is the new item that is available in INNISFREE, which is the INNISFREE Jeju Orchid Fluid. It's a moisturizer, so they just released this out like recently. So winter has just passed, so during the winter, Orchid line is really famous. They're always on like the front desk or in front of the door, because you need good moisturizer to keep your skin moisturized and, you know, not drying out. So this is how it looks like. I really liked the opening, I mean the cap here, because it's more hygiene. Oh, but the way they don't have another extra caps for like covering and protect. Okay, I'll try this out now, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that I have more upcoming videos, like more cosmetic or skincare product or video for you guys. So for now, that's all from me today. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.